Welcome to Jethro's Garage and Fab. I appreciate everybody tuning in. I got a little video here of Sturgis in 2017 on Nemo Road. Pretty good little ride if you ever get out that way to try it. Sturgis is an awesome place, and it ain't just about the parties, but well, that's a part of it. But there's some of the best riding in the country out there. There's other great places, and I've rode a pretty decent amount, and I still haven't covered half of the country. But it's just beautiful out there, and you have so much in one spot. You have the plains and the mountains and, the Badlands. It's just beautiful out there. So if you ever get a chance to head out there and do some sightseeing, head on out. It's pretty nice. Another thing I want to talk to you about today before we get into the little video is some tools I like to carry with me. So I'll insert a picture here, and I'll leave a link down below in the comments or in the description of a few of the tools I use, or at least a few of my more favorite ones. One of these is going to be a Williams ratcheting screwdriver. It's pretty nice. It's got a few different bits with it. It works great. And then there's a few others, like my Knipex pliers, and also a little bit kit from Weehaw. So if you're interested in that, check them out. I'll put a picture up, and I'll also put links to them down below. Enjoy the video.